In-depth bending hints and tips. Bending is an essential technique that adds personality, flavor, and a vocal-like quality to your lead guitar playing. As such, it's important to understand the fundamentals of bending. Here are a few hints to improve your bends. The bending motion is a combination of the arm and hand working together, like this. Most beginners bend by just using their fingers, which isn't wrong, but adding the arm movement makes it a lot easier to bend, and your fingers won't hurt as much. This is a difficult motion that requires a bit of practice before it feels right and sounds good, but once you've learned it, it will make your bends more smooth and precise. A good starting point for practicing this arm movement is to place the joint of your index finger and palm under the neck, like this. And then wrap your thumb over the neck for more support, like this. Use this joint as a pivot point when rotating your hand to bend, like this. The rotation should also come from your arm, like this. If you're bending correctly, you'll also feel the muscles in your arm working, so practice, practice, practice.